Let's get you more updates coming in from Raigad district of Maharashtra, where two people have been said to have lost their lives during a building collapse of a 5-story building that collapsed last evening. 16 people are feared to be trapped as the NDRF teams continue with their rescue operations. The latest that we are getting to know that 5 people have been booked for the incident. Shantashi will be joining us live with the latest update, as it is being said that the building was already under question and complaints have been filed, but due to negligence, this accident, this tragedy that was waiting to happen yesterday because of the incessant rainfall that the entire district has been receiving in the last few days, and around 7:50 p.m. last evening, when the 5-story building collapsed, it is being said that there were several people who were inside the building at the time of the collapse. Going across to Shantashi now. Shantashi, the latest update as far as the rescue operation is concerned, and also tell us about those 5 people who have been booked.
Well, 5 people have been booked by the local administration, that is the police persons over here, after the complaint that was received by the people who used to live here. They are saying that it's the builder and the shoddy work of the builders that has led to this kind of a massive unfortunate incident which has claimed so many lives, and definitely there are people who are still awaiting for their relatives and their friends to be found, because more than 18 people are still missing, and despite the sniper dogs being sniper dogs being there, and also a lot of cameras being used in order to spot these missing persons. It has not been found that where are these people. So yeah, family and relatives are still waiting. See, more and more assistance are being brought over here, not only NDRF but also local people who can be of assistance in order to rescue more and more people who are caught under the who are still under the debris are being brought, so that the rescue operations, which had been continuing since yesterday night because of the heavy rainfall, also it has been a huge obstruction. It can be continued at a faster pace. So ambulance is on standby, the police personnel are there, the local administration along with the local support group and the 3 teams of NDRF are continuously trying to bring about those persons who are still missing, and the family members are still awaiting for them. The 5 people against whom the case has been booked are the builders.
That there were certain complaints that were filed against the building and its dilapidated structure, that it was being said that it was under an imminent danger of a collapse, and it did happen. This entire incident could have been averted.
Yes, definitely. So who is accountable is the biggest question over here, because at the end of the day there are many local residents who had already complained that this building had always been under suspicion, that anytime it can come down, it can collapse, and the people's lives, which is around 40 to 45 families who were staying inside this building, are at risk. Yesterday we could see that while the they were shaking, the entire building was started to shake a little bit. Then the young people who were very quick on their foot, they could run away and easily save their lives. But it is the problem of the children and the old couple who were still stranded inside the building, and then the building is suddenly collapsed, and every one of them are actually under the debris right now, while more than 18 to 19 people have already been rescued from under the debris. But there are certain other number of people who are still yet to be rescued, and they are not yet found. So yes, this is the biggest task ahead of NDRF and also the local rescue team, that how to spot these people and take them out. Now the biggest question that is being asked over here by the local residents, and they are continuously asking for
keep an update how the rescue operations go on there, Shantashi.